If you've been following along this far, I created a video, might not even be out yet, but it's coming. I created a video that stated that I refuse to put money into my portfolios. And I mean it. I don't have that much money to be thrown into this thing. So we're gonna have to just rinse and repeat off of the plays we are winning from. But my reason for not holding on to these 2 contracts is going to be because I do not want to put more money into my account. And it's almost like taking your initial investment in a way. These 2 plays were opened in April 9th. I put initially $4,000 in this play, right? And I put initially $6,000 in this play. So that means initially I invested about $11,000. So we're already up around 17K. Thank God that I had a play with more than 1 contract in it. So we're just gonna sell one of those for profit to keep in a bank so we can make plays when we see something we like in the future. I'm expecting a pullback. I haven't traded all July because I'm scared and I just don't want to get caught in some kerfuffle, right? So I can finally feel like there's cash in my portfolio so I can be prepared for the pullbacks that are going to happen. Some people might think, why don't you just hold on to those 2 contracts? So let's get into it. What I do, this is how I make most of my trades. Jesus Christ, what's happening today? Go to options. I go to my main portfolio. We go to the contract that has 2 of them, which is this one, the VTI contract. We go to sell to close. If we were to sell everything, we would be selling it for about $16,000 right now. And we only put, let's remember, cost basis, we only put $6,000 in there. I am going to only sell 1 contract, so it cuts in half to $8,000. I already have my initial investment and more. This is my first textbook trade I ever made in the market. Oh, my poor baby. Review order. Place order. Order's been placed. Order status. Order's still open. Oh shit, looks like oh shit, if we refresh this, then that means refresh. Sell to close. Da 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 da. All right. So, damn. So that means without adding money to my account, I have more cash to play with. So when the market dips, I'm going to do the same thing all over again. Now, we went from $4,000 in cash to $12,000 in cash. Yeah, that's enough to buy me at least 2 contracts of my next play. This is crazy. This is my first big play. Damn, this is my first big win in options trading. Okay, so this is my first big win in options trading where I've made money and I am selling it. But all in all, this is just a video showing you guys taking profit is okay, I guess. I'm not okay with it sometimes, but I have to because I refuse to put more money in this account. Thanks for watching. You feel me? Stay positive, stay motivated. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace and love, baby.